In the last video, I showed you how to craft an amazing head for your resume. I said that you will start by your name, always. Complete name, your full name, you write it with the bigger characters. Then city and state, city and province, or city and country. After you put your phone number, after your phone number, you add your professional email address, then your LinkedIn that you can hyperlink. If you don't know what is a professional address and how to hyperlink your LinkedIn, I recommend you to go and watch the previous video. I put the link in the comment section. Today we are going to talk about the summary. It is true, it's not mandatory, but when you are changing career, for example, you need a summary. It's true that those who have 10 years of experience, 8 years, 15 years, with a lot of relevant experience, they can jump it, they can avoid, they can go ahead. They don't need the summary section. They don't need that, because the resume will be full of experience. The resume will be full of more relevant ideas. That's what I wanted to say. Today, I picked a visa sponsorship job on Indeed. We will work on that as an example to show you how to write the summary section, what you have to write, which kind of verbs you have to use. I'll show you that. So let's do it. Now you have the job title, Major Partnership Consultant, French and UK Market. This is the job title. Make sure when you're doing these things, make sure that you always pick the right job title. For example, for this job, they mentioned that Major Partnership Consultant, that French and UK Market. After that, they repeat Major Partnership Consultant. So the job title is Major Partnership Consultant that you have to put in your resume. If no, you will be shortlisted by the ATS. In all your resume in the UK, Australia, United States, and Canada, you use the first person implied, which means that you do not need to put I, you. We do not need to put any pronoun. Never do that. If you do that, you will be shortlisted. They will reject your resume. The ATS will reject your resume. Don't put I, no. For the first part, I consider this the first paragraph. You will need to build 3 sentences, at least 3 to 4. Sometimes people build 4 sentences, or sometimes they use dot. You can also use dot, because if you have a long paragraph, scripture will not engage. You will not read that. For the first sentence, you have to tell how many years of experience you have and the industry. These are the key things that you have to put there. You always start with the job title. If you want to add a skill, add. As here, they say that it is UK and French market, so they want someone who is bilingual. This is why I added bilingual major partnership consultant with 3 years of experience in francophone and anglophone digital industry. These are the words that I've taken from the job offer. Most of these keywords, I took them from the job offer. Don't create. Industry, digital industry. How many years of experience? 3. Where? Major partnership consultant. And bilingual. Okay. Then next, you have to show them 2, 3 skills and which result you achieved by using these skills. Please select a relevant achievement. Select a relevant accomplishment. Always select a relevant accomplishment. For this part, we will say that, remember, first person implied. I say in digital industry, full stop. Developing company outcomes by leveraging search engine optimization, SEO in bracket. I saw it in the job offer. and management of worldwide digital advertising projects. I saw it in the job offer. This digital advertising project worldwide, because they say digital advertising project in the world, I just put worldwide. Next I'll put world. Do not lie, this is all for this part. I just put two skills and one outcome. It's okay. This second sentence. Now the last and the third sentence, you have they are looking for someone who wants to learn, someone who like research. So you can say that you are committed to amelioration and willing, or you can say and ready. You can say you are ready to spearhead the success of media company. For example, the success of media company, full stop. Now this is a summary section. It is okay. Some people would not want this type, can use bullet point instead of this. You come here, put something like this, you put the same thing here, you come here, put the same thing. Now the recruiter will not see a big section of paragraph that you go and read line by line. It's really difficult. Sometimes you can do this kind of thing, because nowadays I admit that recruiters like this one. Even if it's not ATS friendly, it's not always ATS friendly, because some ATS will reject, pretending that you have so much bullet point that you're supposed to. In some application, for example Johnson & Johnson, you can add here, you have to add here area of expertise, then start your next session, which is about your skills, directly after this. But here we will not do that, because we are not applying at Johnson & Johnson Pharmaceuticals. So it's all for today. I know, as you liked it, show me that you liked it by clicking the like button, and after you touch the subscribe button and you share. It's free. In addition, if you want me to do the proofreading of your resume, you can leave it at the email below. So see you next time.